Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing a device found in most operating theaters called a smoke evacuator. It's also known as a surgical smoke evacuation system. So let's get into it. First, what is it? Well, as mentioned, it's also known as a surgical smoke evacuation system. It's basically a device that removes smoke created during surgery. This smoke is produced by various surgical techniques, such as electrosurgery or diathermy, laser surgery, cauterization, and harmonic scalpels. This smoke can contain toxic gases and chemicals, and even viral DNA, so it's important to remove it from the operating room. Air, as it can be harmful if inhaled by staff or the patient. How does it work? Well, the system works by having a suction unit or pump that generates negative pressure and sucks in the smoke through a flexible tubing and nozzle. The nozzle is positioned within 2 to 5 centimeters of the surgical site. The tubing has a diameter of about 7 to 10 millimeters, which is large enough to ensure that the smoke is captured effectively. The smoke then passes through a multi-stage filtration system before being released back into the operating room. The first stage is a pre-filter that traps large particles, after which the smoke passes through a HEPA or ULPA filter. This removes at least 99.97% of particles, greater than or equal to 0.3 micrometers in diameter. The smoke then passes through an activated carbon filter, which absorbs any harmful gases and odor. Some systems use additional filters, such as plasma or electrostatic filters, to further remove particles and increase overall efficiency. The entire system is controlled from a control console, where the flow rate and suction power can be adjusted. Some modern units have a digital display and can be controlled with a foot pedal, allowing the surgeon to adjust settings while keeping both hands on the surgical field. The control console can also monitor the life of each filter. The main components of the smoke evacuator are the suction unit or pump, the flexible tubing and nozzle, the filtration system, the control console, and sometimes noise and vibration dampeners. Where is it used? Well, the smoke evacuator is used in various surgical specialties, including general surgery, where electrocautery is commonly used to stop bleeding. In dermatology, it's used during laser tattoo removal and mole removal. In gynecology, it's used for laparoscopic cautery during surgery. In UNT and plastic surgery, it's used when lasers or radiofrequency cutting is employed. And in oncology, it's used during tumor resection, where cautery is used to stop bleeding. Advantages of using a smoke evacuator include protection of the surgical team from inhaling toxic fumes, maintaining a clear surgical field, reducing the risk of infection as viral particles like HPV can aerosolize, and reducing odor in the operating room, which can carry over to other cases. Limitations or considerations include the need to be positioned close to the surgical site, which can sometimes be challenging. The cost of replacing the filters can be high, especially if they need frequent changing. It can generate extra noise, if not properly dampened, and it needs regular calibration and preventive maintenance. That's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.